Hey there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to Foodstorian, the place where we dig deep into the fascinating world of culinary history. Today we have a delectable journey ahead as we explore the rich history of a dish that's not only mouth-watering but also visually stunning, Maqluba. But before we dive into the layers of this delicious Arabic dish, let me pose a question to you. Have you ever wondered how a simple combination of rice, vegetables, and meat could create such a visually appealing masterpiece? Well, subscribe and stick around because today we'll unravel the intriguing history behind Maqluba and discover its evolution from ancient times to the present day. Maqluba, the upside-down wonder, has its origins deeply rooted in the sands of ancient Mesopotamia. Let's take a journey back over 4,000 years, where historical records suggest that a dish akin to Maqluba was already tantalizing the taste buds of our ancestors. Our culinary time machine transports us to a time when simplicity and ingenuity paved the way for extraordinary creations. In the heart of Mesopotamia, the cradle of civilization, people were savoring the early versions of what we now know as Maqluba. Picture this: the fragrant aroma of layered goodness wafting through the air as ancient chefs experimented with the perfect combination of rice, vegetables, and meat. Maqluba, even in its early forms, was a culinary masterpiece, showcasing the resourcefulness and creativity of these ancient cooks. As we explore this historical gastronomic landscape, it's fascinating to think that Maqluba, or a dish very much like it, was likely enjoyed in communal gatherings and celebrations. A testament to the enduring appeal of this culinary delight that has spanned centuries and civilizations. Fast forward through the centuries, and we find Maqluba gracefully making its way through the diverse landscapes of the Ottoman Empire. Here, the dish underwent a culinary metamorphosis, incorporating flavors like lamb, eggplants, and aromatic spices, creating variations that reflected the richness of the empire. The layers of Maqluba's history mirror the intricate layers of the dish itself. As it spread through the Levant, it became more than just a meal. It became a symbol of hospitality, a dish served during joyous celebrations and intimate family gatherings. The Levant, with its varied landscapes, contributed its own twists to Maqluba. Coastal regions added seafood, while inland areas experimented with different combinations of spices and local produce. The result? Countless variations, each telling a unique story of culture and tradition. What's truly remarkable is how Maqluba seamlessly adapted to the diverse tastes and preferences of each region it touched. From the grand feasts of Istanbul to the humble kitchens of Damascus, this dish became a culinary bridge, connecting people through the shared experience of a delicious meal. So, whether it was served in the opulent courts of the Ottoman Empire or on the tables of everyday households, Maqluba became more than a dish. It became a reflection of the cultural diversity and shared culinary heritage of the regions it graced. The foundation of Maqluba lies in its simplicity, yet the choices of ingredients make each rendition unique. Tomatoes, with their vibrant color and tangy sweetness, bring a burst of freshness to the dish, creating a harmonious balance with the other components. Now, let's talk about the meat. Whether it's succulent pieces of lamb, chicken, or a combination of both, the protein in Maqluba adds depth and richness. The choice of meat can vary based on regional preferences, showcasing the adaptability of this timeless recipe. But what truly sets Maqluba apart is its celebration of vegetables. From eggplants to cauliflower, each layer contributes its own distinct flavor and texture. The vegetables are not just ingredients. They are storytellers, weaving tales of the region and the season in which Maqluba is prepared. Now, let's not forget the crown jewel, rice. The grains, perfectly cooked and infused with the flavors of the dish, create a canvas for the layers above. The choice of rice can vary, from the fragrant basmati to the more robust short grain varieties. What makes Maqluba truly special is its adaptability. In different regions, you might find variations with a focus on vegetables, creating a vibrant vegetarian version. The interplay of ingredients reflects not only the tastes of the cook but also the seasonal bounty of the surroundings. As we peel back the layers of Maqluba's versatile ingredients, it becomes clear that this dish is a canvas for creativity, a celebration of flavors that transcend borders. Join me in the next segment as we uncover the cultural impact of Maqluba, how it has inspired artists, writers, and even filmmakers throughout history. Maqluba is not just a dish. It's a cultural icon, a symbol of communal gatherings and shared joy. As we travel through the Middle East, we find that Maqluba is more than a meal. It's an expression of hospitality and togetherness. Imagine sitting at a table adorned with layers of aromatic maqluba, surrounded by loved ones. The dish becomes a centerpiece of celebrations, whether it's weddings, festivals, or family reunions. Its presence signifies not only delicious food but the warmth of shared moments. Beyond the dining table, maqluba has found its way into the realms of art and literature. Artists have captured its beauty on canvases, showcasing the vibrant colors and intricate layers. Writers have penned stories that feature maqluba, elevating it from a mere dish to a cultural symbol. And let's not forget the influence of maqluba in the cinematic world. Filmmakers have used the dish as a visual metaphor, a representation of unity and harmony. Its appearance on the silver screen adds a layer of cultural richness, making maqluba not just a culinary delight but a character in its own right. It's incredible to see how a dish can transcend its culinary roots and become woven into the fabric of a community's identity. Maqluba's cultural impact is a testament to the power of food to connect people, evoke emotions, and tell stories that go beyond the kitchen. As we wrap up this segment, I invite you to share in the comments any cultural experiences or memories you may have with maqluba. And there you have it, the captivating history of maqluba. I hope this journey through time and flavor has left you hungry for more. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Foodhistorian, and let me know in the comments which dish you'd like us to explore next. Until next time, fellow foodies, keep exploring the world one bite at a time. Happy cooking!